Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix verify your phone number on Gmail account create problem. Following all steps, do not skip. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, scroll down, tap on Gmail, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Press on power button, tap on reset phone normally. Now go to Google Play Store, search Gmail app, update Gmail app if showing on Play Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.